In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button to a custom show in Microsoft PowerPoint. A custom show is a curated subset of your slides that you can jump to on demand, perfect for tailoring a presentation to different audiences, or for offering optional deep dives without disrupting your main flow. Let's set it up and connect it to a clickable button. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and creating a custom show. Go to the Slideshow tab, select Custom Slideshow, then choose Custom Shows. In the dialog that opens, create a new custom show and add the specific slides you want to include. You can reorder them here to control the exact sequence. When you're happy with the selection, save it and close the dialog. This gives PowerPoint a named, reusable mini presentation to target with a link. Next, add the button your audience will click. Go to the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and pick a shape that reads clearly as a button, something like a rounded rectangle. Draw it where you want the button to appear. Type a clear label on it, such as View Demo or More Details, and format the shape so it stands out. High contrast and a consistent style make it easier to notice during a live presentation. Now turn that shape into a link. Right-click the shape and select Link or Hyperlink depending on your version of PowerPoint. In the dialog box, look for Place in this document, then select Custom Shows. If you see a Custom Shows button, click it to reveal your list. Choose the custom show you created earlier. Before confirming, decide how you want navigation to behave. If you want to automatically return to the slide with the button after the custom show finishes, check the option labeled Show and Return. This creates a smooth loop. You jump into the custom show, present the selected slides, and land right back where you started. If you prefer to continue from the end of the custom show without returning, leave it unchecked. Click OK to finish. To test it properly, start your presentation in slideshow mode and click the button. You should immediately launch into the linked custom show. If you don't see custom shows in the link options, double-check that you created at least one custom show earlier. And if the click doesn't respond, make sure the shape isn't overlapped by another object. That's it. With a simple button and a custom show, you can present the right content at the right moment, without cluttering your main narrative.